We're here today at Abbey Glass, Cardiff, down in South Wales, where we've just installed a bowl Sedimentor 2.4. They're running that on a 12 spindle straight line edger, and they've invested in Sedimentor technology because they want to raise their standards in terms of energy efficiency and also sustainability. So the way a Sedimentor works is that whenever you process glass, you remove tiny particles of glass from the sheet, and that ends up in suspension in the coolant, which is usually water. And over time, these glass finings build up and they form concretion in the tanks of the glass processing machine. So what a Sedimentor does is it takes batch quantities of water from the machine and it cleans them and removes all those glass finings. So it's a constant cleansing process. So there are other ways to clean contaminated water, one of which is centrifuge. The downsides to a centrifuge is that it uses quite a lot of energy. It's using a lot of electric when it's switched on. And importantly, it doesn't remove the smallest nanometer scale particles from suspension in the coolant. And these are the very particles which later on can form concretion within a machine, constrict water flow and can cause serious damage in the long term. Whereas Sedimentor, literally the flocculant grasps onto any particle that is in suspension within the water. The important thing is that with a Sedimentor, the water can be virtually recycled forever. As long as you top up and as long as you run the Sedimentor program, it will always deliver clean water back to the machine. In the current climate, where our customers are asking us to demonstrate our sustainable credentials, using a Sedimentor within your glass processing factory means that you can legitimately go to a customer and say, I don't waste water, I recycle all my water, so it's really environmentally friendly.